Today, we are going to guide you through preparing another delicious Jack Daniel BBQ chicken wingette and gourmet grill delicacy. Let's begin. The ingredients needed are 1. Chicken wingette and gourmet. 2. 1/4 spoon salt. 3. 1 spoon honey. 4. Jack Daniel barbecue sauce. 5. Jack Daniel Tennessee whiskey. Pierce the chicken with metal skewer to help the marinade permeate through the chicken. Add 1/4 spoon of salt. Mix thoroughly. Mix in a spoon of honey. Season with a spoon or 2 Jack Daniel barbecue sauce. Coat the chicken thoroughly with the marinades. Top up with Jack Daniel Tennessee for extra boost. Give it another mix. Bake 15 minutes per side. That's it. This concludes the steps for our Jack Daniel barbecue wingette and gourmet grill. Like, share to your friends and subscribe if you find these useful. Now, it's time for you to prepare and enjoy yours.